Terms to read before you buy Wendy's gift cards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For the balance inquiry, you can simply text Wendy's email or simply call them directly for the balance if you have inquiry in the balance. And for the expiration fee, Wendy's gift cards, excluding Wendy's promotional gift cards, do not expire. No fees for inactivity or service fees apply as well. Also, Wendy's promotional gift cards expire as of the date printed on the gift card. And for redemption, your Wendy's gift card is redeemable only for purchases of foods and beverages at participating Wendy's locations in the United States or Canada. It has no cash value and may not be redeemed for cash or used to purchase another Wendy's. And no refunds are permitted with respect to Wendy's gift cards except as required by law. To request cashback for a physical gift card in those states where cashback is required by law, please visit a Wendy's location as well. And gift cards that are lost, stolen, damaged, or used without authorization will not be replaced. And also, Wendy's gift card may not be resold by any unauthorized vendor. And these are terms to read before you buy Wendy's gift card. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.